Hello guys! This is Julia and welcome po my YouTube channel. Ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo on how to avail an insurance for as low as 39 pesos. O di ba mas mahal pa ang Starbucks natin. Ngayon, with this insurance, you can be insured for a life coverage of 25,000 pesos, personal accident coverage of 25,000 pesos, and up to 750 pesos up to maximum of 3 days confinement. So guys, let's begin our discussion and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button and stay tuned po until the end. So ano po itong insurance na tinutukoy ko kanina? This insurance is under GCash and I just recently discovered this. Though matagal akong gumagamit ng GCash, hindi ko siya pinansin, but when I take a look at the coverage and benefits, okay siya because it's very affordable and easy to avail. Getting insured is now just a text away. So what is GCash Insurance? GCash Insure aims to provide anyone with accessible insurance for as low as 39 pesos per month. It is a comprehensive insurance product of life, personal accident, and daily hospital income insurance for GCash users. It is an innovative offering which provides valuable financial protection in the event of accident, hospitalization, and/or death. How GCash Insurance help us? It helps us to stay prepared for emergencies, for us to avoid spending on expensive hospital bills, unexpected sickness, and costly health care. It is also buy now, save later, meaning we can buy insurance now that we don't have to spend for emergencies. Si GCash Insurance, as I said earlier, it is easy to purchase, so no need for long lines and lengthy lines. We can just send a text to get insured. Si GCash Insurance also is very affordable. For only 39 pesos, you can live a worry-free life at worry-free prices. Who can avail of GCash Insurance? Anyone who is fully verified user of GCash and within the age of 18 to 64. Who can be nominated as dependents under family products? Number 1, married users can nominate legal spouse who is not older than 64 years of age and children that are 3 to 21 years old. Sa single users naman, they may nominate their parents who are not older than 64 years old and siblings that are 3 to 21 years old. So make sure lang that you can provide a proof of relationship with the nominated dependents like birth certificate or marriage of contract when making any claim. So you need to fill up the form with the details of your dependents as soon as possible to make any future claims easier to process. The dependents under the family product should not necessarily be a GCash user. So only the owner of the accounts has to be fully verified by GCash user. The GCash user may then nominate 2 dependents who may or may not be a GCash users. Why should we consider to get an insurance? Insurance is very helpful because it is one of the best way to stay financially protected for life emergencies and unexpected situations. It pays for your expenses when you encounter an emergency so that you don't have to make use of your hard-earned savings. For a small fee per month, you for accidents, injury, and sickness. It's a great way to give yourself a peace of mind as you live your life. What are the coverages and benefits under GCash Insurance? GCash Insurance products gives you access to personal accidents, life, and daily hospital income. Sa personal accidents, we know that accidents and injuries can happen anytime. In the event of an accident or injury, a sum of money pays out to support bills, recovery, and cover for financial support. Sa term of life naman, death is very difficult to experience. So in the event of death, a sum of money pays out to ensure that dependents and family are provided with financial support. Sa daily hospital income, everyone can get sick and it could be expensive. In the event that the policyholder gets hospitalized, the coverage will help to shoulder the daily expenses for their stay. How to get insured with GCash? You need to choose your desired insurance product and text the code to 2158-9628 for Globe users and 22565-9628 for non-Globe users and get insured. And your order will be processed within the next 1 business days. So once your insurance policy is fully processed, the insurance fee of your chosen insurance product will be automatically deducted from your GCash balance. So make sure that you have enough balance to have a successful transaction. And then you will receive the insurance policy details via SMS immediately after the premium payment amount is successfully deducted from your wallet. So once you receive the short message service, you have insurance. So every 30 days, your GCash Insurance Protection will automatically renew and you will be billed for the monthly premium of your subscription. Your cover will terminate at the end of the grace period if your monthly premium remains unpaid. So when will the coverage start? Your coverage under GCash Insurance starts the moment you receive the confirmation SMS 1 to 2 days after texting. So take note that the insured member and dependents will only be eligible for a death benefit or hospital benefit after a 15-day waiting period from the start of coverage if death or hospitalization is due to sickness, and no waiting period shall apply for death and hospital confinement due to accident. So what are the additional documents to be submitted when availing of the insurance product? So number 1, if you are availing of the Insure Me product, you don't need to submit any additional documents because the number of insured is the GCash user only. But if you are availing of a family member cover or the Insure Fam, you need to fill out the dependent enrollment form online and send it as soon as possible to make any claims easier to process. In the event of a claim, you need to submit documents to prove your relationship with your nominated dependents, like birth certificate again or marriage contract. So the GCash insurance subscription also can be canceled anytime, and you can do this by submitting a service request ticket by filling up the form online, and the monthly premium payment can be refunded in full if the cancellation is within 15 days after the initial enrollment date, as long as you have not made any claims. So what are the reasons why GCash Insurance Protection Policy may be terminated? Number 1, if you choose to cancel your subscription. Number 2, if you have failed to pay for your subscription after the 30-day grace period. So it's good to always have balance in your GCash wallet. Number 3, if you attempt to make a fake claim under GCash Insure. Number 4, upon attainment of the 65th birthday. Number 5, if GCash stops offering this product to its customers. And number 6, the policy of your dependents terminate when you choose to terminate the policy they are enrolled in or when they reach the age of 22 for children or siblings. For now, only one policy is allowed per user. So if you want to get better coverage benefits, you may upgrade your plan by texting the code of the plan you wish to upgrade to. But if you happen to have multiple active policies and there is a claim, the claim must be filed against one policy only. So how is the claim procedure? Claims are very quick and easy. You just need to inform your situation and send the documents to GCash Insure-support@microsure.com. The good thing here is that death and hospitalization due to COVID-19 is covered. However, insured member and dependents will only be eligible for a death benefit after a 15-day waiting period from the start of the insurance coverage. To claim the hospital cash assistance benefit, the insured GCash member or dependent must be hospital inpatient and must have confined for at least 3 consecutive days. So lastly, there are some exclusions of claims under the GCash Insure or they are not eligible for benefit payment. Number 1 is the self-inflicted injury, suicide, or any attempt, threat. Number 2 is strike, riot, civil commotion, acts of terrorism, revolution, insurrection, declared or undeclared war, or any warlike operation. Number 3, any illegal act committed by the insured like murder, theft, drug-related crime. And number 4 is childbirth and female reproductive illnesses. So here are the list of personal insurance and family insurance products with their corresponding coverage and monthly premium. So, as you can see on the screen, di ba, ito yung mga SMS code niya. For example, yung Insure Me 39, the number of people insured is the GCash User. Yung product niya is categorized as bronze, and the term coverage is annually. Monthly premium niya is 39 pesos. And the term life coverage is 25,000 pesos. Personal accident coverage is 25,000 pesos. And the hospital cash coverage per person insured is up to 750 pesos per days, up to maximum of 3 days confinement. So kung napapansin nyo, sa Insure Me, the number of insured is only 1, and at yun ay si GCash User only. Sa Insure Fam naman, for example, yung Insure Fam 117, ang number of people insured dito is 1 GCash user and 2 family members. This is categorized as bronze. The term of coverage is annual. The monthly premium is 117 pesos. The term of life coverage is 25,000 pesos. The personal accident coverage is 25,000 pesos. And the hospital cash coverage per person is 750 pesos, up to maximum of 3 days confinement. So those are about GCash Insurance, and I hope this information will help all our GCash users. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.